Hi Cromer Wildcats. For the summer, a fun activity to do for exercise and just enjoyment is to go for a hike. So what I want to do is give you an idea of what you can put together, a little survival kit that you can carry anywhere you go, and it just has some tools and some gadgets and that you can use either if you get stranded out there or just something to carry along in case you need. And the great thing about it, it fits in a little Altoid tin can, and you can use your imagination and put a variety of objects together, small tiny objects that'll fit inside here, and it's a lot of fun to put together, and it's just something that's great to have on a hike. Okay, so once you have your tin, I put a rubber band around here just to give it extra security to hold it in there. And then as I open it up, I'll show you what all I put in here. First of all, I've got some zip ties, got some band-aids, I got some fishing line. Never know, I might stuck by water, a river, and a lake, and can go fishing. Just get a stick. That's a little fishing hook there that I put in there. Matches to start a fire. And something, if you don't want to use matches, something else you could put in there would be a magnesium stick with a striker, and then that would cause a spark. And a good way to get started is with a cotton ball, just a cotton ball that's been covered in Vaseline. That's a good way to get a fire going. I've got a little emergency flashlight and laser. And I've got some liquid skin. So this kind of takes the place of band-aids if you have a cut and you want to seal that up. I also got a little emergency container of super glue. That can use for cuts too, or if you have something you got to put together. Got a little pocket knife, multi-tool pocket knife that has different tools in there, as well as a blade and scissors. Got some more rubber bands. Got a little piece of Velcro that you could cut up and use to attach things. And I've got just a plastic Ziploc bag. You could put water in there, any objects you want to carry along. And I've got an assortment of safety pins, paper clips, objects such as that. I've got some sinkers in here for the fishing. Another little tie, like a bread tie. In here, I've got some foil that could be used as an emergency reflective object to get the attention of an airplane. More safety pins, new ties. Also, what I put inside the tin is a striker for matches. You need that. And that's about it that I have in my kit. You could use your imagination. Some people I know put emergency phone numbers in here that they could use in case they get stranded and call. But use your imagination. It's a lot of fun to put together. It's just a lot of fun to see how many objects you can fit in such a tiny container. So give it a try. I hope you do it. Have fun, have a great summer, and keep on exercising. Stay active.